Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to cover up on how we can hide our profile so that only the people you want or we want can see it. So let's just go ahead and let's get started with a video on how we can hide our profile in Roblox. Step number one is opening up the Roblox app on your device, and after that, simply log in into your Roblox account. Just wait for your screen to be loaded and just go ahead and log in. After you have successfully logged in, here you're just gonna go ahead and tap on the three dot at the bottom right corner of the screen to open the menu bar. Just go ahead and tap on it. And here from the menu, you're gonna go ahead and select settings, which you can find when you scroll a bit. Just go ahead and tap on it. After that, you're gonna go ahead and tap on privacy here. Just go ahead and tap on privacy, which is on the third. And here you will be finding options for controlling who can see your account and activities. Just wait for the privacy settings to load up on your screen. So here you can find this option called visibility and private servers, which is on the third. Just go ahead and select it, and you're going to find this option called visibility. Just go ahead and tap on it. So if you want your account to be visible to everyone, you could just gonna select everyone. But since we are making our Roblox account very private, we're just gonna go ahead and tap on no one so that it will completely hide your profile from others and no one will be able to view your profile. After selecting the preferred option, it will automatically save the settings, and that's how you basically do it, and that's how you hide your profile in Roblox. So if this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Roblox tips, and comment below with any questions or requests for future tutorials. So see you in the next video.